Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how my latest application, which is named as School Management System, works. First of all, we can see the diagram here. Here are 5 tables you can see: student table, and then section table, grade report, prerequisite, and course table. So let's show all my codes. You can see there are so many HTML pages here in this which I have created for the purpose of building this program. So you can see here, this is my app.py code and index page and student grade page, instructor, all students, all courses, all the pages here you can see. So let's run the terminal and see how my program works. Okay, so maybe Python app.py. So let's run this link, Chrome. So here is the index page. You can see home page, which you can say here is the home page of my whole system. You can see the student, courses, sections, grade reports, and prerequisite. The whole 5 tables are shown here, which we have seen just now in the diagram. So first of all, I'd like to show you how if I want to get the data for each individual student. If I click here, you can see the grades of the student, which name is Brown, we can see here. And if you want to see for a Smith, you can see the grades for a student named as Smith here. And then I would like to show you the course number for each of the individual courses and instructors. So let's know each of the individual courses with their prerequisites. For the discrete mathematics course, you can see the details here, and it has no prerequisite. You can see introduction to computer science, it has also no prerequisite. If I see here, for database course, you can see there are 2 prerequisite courses. Let's show the instructor details. If I press on the king, you can option, you can see here the details of the instructor. Here you can see the instructor name is King, and he teaches courses only a single course, which is named as discrete mathematics. If I click here, it will show the whole course details. So like this way, if I click on another instructor, Stone, and in the same way you can get the details of which course Stone runs right now. So now I'd like to show you the whole overall students details. There are 2 students, as you can see. So instead of the individual student details which we got for Brown here for 8, you can see. So we will write here on this one. You can see the details of the students. Okay. So and then if we want to show for all courses with their prerequisites, you can see here, if I click, you can see all the course details with their prerequisites. Okay, so besides, if you want to see from here, from the course table, if you want to see individual course details, you can click on the view option. You can get the details. See here, you can get the details. And besides, if you click on the edit options, I am right now working on these edit options so that we can edit these options with the values of this data. And so it will be very useful, and more I will try to work further on this code. Thank you so much for staying with me and watching this short tutorial. See you next time. Goodbye.